Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri and welcome back to DimitriTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony ZV-1. As always, if you're enjoying my videos, please go ahead and pound that like button, pound that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to grow my channel, and the likes and subscribes really help me out. So this camera and the vlogger have literally been sitting on my desk for like a week, maybe a week and a half, but it's July 5th and I had a 3-day weekend, so I got some time. That tongue pop was loud. I did not mean to do that, I swear. And y'all are in for a treat today because today you're getting chest up. Normally when I film, it's like collarbone, neck up, but I'm at my friend's house today and this is just how the setup landed. And in addition to that, I will also be unboxing the Sony Vlogger. This is the handheld tripod specifically for the Sony ZV-1. And from what I've read online, everyone recommends it and says the camera is not worth having without the Vlogger Kit. If you're new to my channel, I've been uploading YouTube videos consistently for about like 8 months now. All my previous YouTube videos were shot with my iPhone, and I'm recording with my iPhone right now. And there's nothing wrong with shooting with the iPhone, but for me personally, it was just time for an upgrade. If you do start a YouTube channel or you decide to start making videos with your iPhone, it's perfectly fine, but there are a few limitations with it. But if you're just starting out and you're new to filming, definitely start with the iPhone. If you're pressed on spending some money, I recommend spend it on the lighting, don't spend it on the camera. I'll like tell people that I shoot my YouTube videos with my iPhone, and most people are like,
you shot all those videos with your iPhone?
Literally, the majority of people will not be able to tell the difference. And last thing before I get started, this is not a tech channel. If you're looking for a very tech-heavy review of this camera, then this is not the right video for you. Go ahead and click off. I'm actually pretty bad with technology, and that's part of the reason I decided to buy this camera, which we'll get into later in the video. In keeping with transparency, I'm gonna tell you all where I got it from and how much I paid. I bought the camera and the Vlogger Kit from Best Buy, and if you buy them together, it's a bundle, and then it's a little bit cheaper than if you buy them separately. Okay, so the camera was $649.99. The Vlogger was $99.99. So after taxes, I paid $794.98. And yes, it was definitely sitting in my shopping cart for multiple days before I finally pulled the trigger and bought it, because that's a lot of money. And y'all know I'm cheap and this is a low budget channel, hence why I just filmed with my iPhone for 8 months. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Initially, I did not want this camera. I wanted a Canon DSLR 90D. But I knew if I got a camera, I would need a tripod, a lens, and possibly a mic. And if I had gotten the Canon camera, it would have been a lot more money that I would have had to spend. So when I was doing my research and I was looking into other options of cameras, I found the Sony ZV-1. A lot of other YouTubers use it, and for this camera, I don't need a mic and I don't need a lens, so right there, that's like over $1,000 worth of savings. Also, another reason I chose this camera is that it's pretty much usable straight out of the box. I am not very good with technology, so that was definitely a huge selling point for me. I can basically just open the camera and get started, especially because The Bachelorette comes on tonight and I need to make another video tomorrow. Okay, let's waste no more time. I'm gonna get started and open up this camera. And if you're new here, I'm just gonna hold up the camera box and start opening it this way. This is a low budget channel. We do not have a plethora of angles to choose from. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, dang. Oh, this is what the box looks like. Okay. Every time I need to unbox something on camera, I struggle to open it. Okay, so when you open it up, you have the instructions right here. Ooh, it's thick. Probably not gonna read those. Okay, so this is the, it's like a mouse or a wind guard or something. You put this on top of the camera when you're filming outside so you don't hear like the wind or whatever. We have a cable and the camera. It's so nice. So this is what it looks like. Let me turn it around. This is the part that I'm most excited about. It has this flip screen. So when I'm on the iPhone, I always use the front facing camera because I want to make sure I'm still in the center of the frame, but the camera on the back is better, but I don't like to film with that camera because I can't tell if I'm in frame. So I'm really excited to have this screen that flips out. And there's also a battery. Okay, let me show you guys the flip out screen. This is like really cool. So the screen like flips out and then, hold on, how do I do this? So you can do this if you're like in selfie mode, but then also you can flip it. You can flip it this way as well. And I am like so excited about that. Wait, does it go the other way too? Let's see. Oh no, it only goes this way. Oh, this is so exciting. Wait, how do you put the battery in it? Is it right here? Oh, I think this is it. Yes. I think it goes this way. How do I do this? It's not locking. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I have to go through like a quick setup. Okay, so also I'm doing this in the iPhone camera, so it's backwards, so bear with me. I'm gonna say English. Oh, it's not, oh, dang, it's not a touchscreen. I forgot. Set area, date, and time. Okay, so I got the camera on. It is up and running. So two things, I may have to read the manual because I don't know how to charge it. Also, I don't think it came with an SD card. Oh wait, the Vlogger comes with the SD card. We good. I'm gonna open the Vlogger Kit real quick in front of y'all, and then I'm gonna switch to the new camera. The Vlogger Kit has the SD card, so I can't record anything until it's opened or it won't save to the camera. Also, so you use this cord to charge the camera, and normally you plug the USB into your computer, but I have a MacBook Pro M1, so it only has USB-C. I'm gonna check my friend's house to see if he has a block where I can plug this into a USB so I can charge it. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox the Vlogger. Oh, that's just how to pair it. So it comes in another box. And we got the SD card. So here's the Vlogger. There's like a dust guard bag for it. And a bunch more instructions that I'm probably not gonna read. So this is what the Vlogger looks like. I wonder how it powers up. Like, I don't know if there's a battery or if it powers through the camera. There's probably a battery because for this price, there's probably a battery. Oh, okay. So in the dust cover bag, there's a battery in here. I lied. No, there's not. Oh, found it. It was in the bag. There's a battery in here. Okay, so on the back of this, you just pull that off and then I insert the battery here. Okay, I think I got the camera all set up and I'm ready to start recording. So this is called a windscreen and you just place it on the top of this somehow. And the instructions just say remove shoe cap from camera. There's no, I don't know if I'm supposed to slide this or pull it. Oh, there we go. There we go. I swear it just slides in like that. Oh, there we go. And there you go. That's how you use the wind tunnel or the windscreen. Okay, so this is the view on the new camera. I got to get a little used to this. I think now I'm looking into the camera. I think I looked straight into the center of the camera. Definitely filming on the iPhone was a little different. This is so exciting and I can already tell the picture looks clear. Also, I am so gagged. So this is gonna sound so petty, but like I am so excited because now I can use my iPhone when I'm filming a video. When you're recording with the iPhone, you can't use your iPhone while making a video, but now I can and I'm I'm living for it. Okay, so that is all I have for you today for this video. I am so excited for this new camera, and I definitely have a huge learning curve. I barely knew how to turn it on, and I barely knew how to start recording a video. So I gotta watch some YouTube tutorials and get on it. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and pound that like button, pound that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell, and I will see you all next time. Have a good one. Bye.